Hare Krishna. So today I will be singing entire Madhurashtakam for the benefit of all devotees to learn this properly. So which is composed by Sri Vallabhacharya on Lord Krishna and titled Adharam Madhuram. Madhuram Madhuram Akhilam Madhuram Madhuradipaterakilam Madhuram Adharam Madhuram Vadanam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam Madhuram Hridayam Madhuram Gamanam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Vachanam Madhuram Charitam Madhuram Vasanam Madhuram Valitam Madhuram Chalitam Madhuram Brahmitam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Venor Madhuro Renor Madhuraha Panir Madhuraha Padau Madhurau Nrityam Madhuram Sakyam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Geetam Madhuram Pitam Madhuram Bhuktam Madhuram Suptam Madhuram Rupam Madhuram Tilakam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Karanam Madhuram Taranam Madhuram Haranam Madhuram Smaranam Madhuram Vamitam Madhuram Shamitam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Gunja Madhura Mala Madhura Yamuna Madhura Vichi Madhura Salilam Madhuram Kamalam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Gopi Madhura Leela Madhura Yuktam Madhuram Bhuktam Madhuram Drishtam Madhuram Shishtam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Gopa Madhura Gavo Madhura Yashtir Madhura Shrishtir Madhura Dalitam Madhuram Phalitam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram 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 Akhilam Madhuram Madhuradipater Akhilam Madhuram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare